welcome back to my channel. Assalamualaikum. Halo gengs, yang baru pertama kali datang ke channel aku, perkenalkan nama aku Monica. Di segmen konten aku hari ini, aku mau ngasih tahu ke kalian gimana caranya ngebuat the best pancake, especially strawberry blueberry cheese pancake. Itu resepnya hanya 5 menit. Only 5 minutes you can make the best pancake, strawberry cheese pancake. You curious to know about this food? Please stay tuned terus in this channel. Don't skip. Before you watching my channel, please support me, subscribe and hit the bell notification. And don't forget, if you like to my content, you can share and leave comment in the below. Enjoy watching my video. Have a good time. The ingredient is ice cream, meses, blueberry topping, strawberry fruit, cheddar cheese, and absolutely pancake original. If you wanna put the ice cream, is optional. Same, if you wanna put topping, variant topping, it's optional. Ada cheddar, pancake, ice cream.
First, you can put the margarine. I think 1 minute enough until hot. Panaskan dulu margarinnya. After that, masukin pancake-nya ke dalam wajan. Fries until hot. It's about around 2 minutes enough. And then you can put one pancake again inside the teflon. Repeat again. Yeah, this is it. You can put the cheese, cheddar, meses, optional ya. Boleh ditaburin meses, cheese kalau kalian suka. Karena aku suka, jadi aku taburin meses dan cheddar, keju cheddar. Tambahkan toppingnya, blueberry topping. Mau toppingnya coklat juga boleh, cuman aku suka strawberry, blueberry, jadi aku pakein toppingnya blueberry. Blueberry is my favorite topping. Nah, ini es krimnya. You can put the ice cream for the topping. Yeah, beauty good, so yummy, ready to eat. Strawberry juga optional ya, kalau kalian suka strawberry.
This is it. This is specially pancake, the best pancake. Only 5 minutes. You can get the best pancake. You can try at home. So yummy, right? So I can't wait to eat this pancake. I think this pancake is very yummy and good. Aku udah gak sabar mau nyobain gimana rasanya. Ini pasti enak banget with the strawberry. If you like ice cream, you can put ice cream. Have a sauce blueberry and mix with cheese. Recommended. You must try at home. This ice cream is optional. If you like ice cream, you can put in the pancake. If you don't like it, doesn't matter. Let's eat. Enjoy. Thank you for the watching. See you for the next video. If you like, you can share my recipe. If you don't like, it's okay, doesn't matter. But if you have the idea, the good idea, you can put in the comment. And don't forget, stay tuned in my channel Lensa Vaganza. Oke geng, sampai sini. Makasih udah ngikutin aku, udah nonton video aku sampai habis. Kalian bisa coba, kalian recommended banget. Ini hanya 5 menit. Tuh, so yummy kan? Jadi, see you for the next video. Have a good day, happy weekend. Dadah.